Guys, good evening. So, gabi naman. Try ko magkape. Pero, check muna natin kung ilang ang calories ng coffee ko, brown coffee, bago natin inumin. So, hindi naman pwedeng inom lang tayo ng inom. Check muna natin kung ilang calories. So, i-label read natin siya. Coffee ko, brown coffee, tamang tapang at tamis. So, ang calories niya sa mabilisang sagot ay 120 calories. So, yun. So, calories from 30 calories. Yung kilocalories at calories ay same lang siya. May explanation bakit kilocalories sa science ang nakalagay, pero for all purposes and practicality, kilocalories and calories is the same unit. May explanation yan sa chemistry class, pero pwede nyo i-google. So, manufactured product of Indonesia. So, imported, distributed by Essential Foods Corporation. Ito yung i-check natin kung yung milk niya ay from dairy or non-dairy, kasi lactose intolerance karamihan ng mga 30 years old pataas. So basahin din natin yung kanyang ingredients. So, ingredients: sugar, non-dairy creamer, so glucose syrup, fully hydrogenated vegetable fat, coconut oil, sodium caseinate. So, nasagot yung tanong natin. Ang creamer ng coffee ko, brown coffee, is non-dairy. So, hindi siya nakaka-LBM, no? So, kaso allergen information contains milk. Hindi ko mag-get. Malt gluten. So, pero siguro traces lang siya, okay? Hindi siya yung main ingredients. So, yun lang. Thank you.